AI tools help us in our fight towards climate change challenges? In southeastern Europe, we are facing tremendous dangers, especially with the wildfires. You saw what happened in the summer, both in Greece and other countries also. And also floods. Are there alert systems that technology can help us with to tackle those issues?
Yeah, so one thing we found out over the years is that AI can actually play a really important role in helping address the climate crisis. And actually on both what we call the climate mitigation, namely how to help mitigate carbon emission and global warming. In fact, in a recent report that Google done with BCG, we found out that AI is estimated to actually be able to mitigate 5 to 10% of the gas emission, which is quite significant. Mm-hmm. And also what we call adaptation, which is how to adapt to the climate crisis, such as natural disasters, floods, wildfires. So what appeared to be almost impossible task to tackle because of the complexities of trying to predict where floods are going to be, today we're actually in a situation that using AI, we can already effectively predict floods quite well in many places in the world. Mm-hmm. In fact, we are now having in what we call Flood Hub predictions of up to 7 days in advance mm-hmm. for over 80 countries in the world, including Greece.
Talking about floods, in Thessaly, 3 months ago, we had a devastating, tremendous flood. The scientists said that the amount of rain that fell was, probably happens once every 100 years or so. Could AI tools had warned us about the flood coming?
So we are making progress on making such predictions. We're currently focusing on what we call riverine floods. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Riverine floods are where the floods in the river kind of going overboard. Yeah. There are other types of floods that need more progress on the scientific mm-hmm. side, such as in urban floods and flash floods. So the answer is that AI is we can make progress with AI mm-hmm. to have better predictions and to help warn. And we are working with governments, with organizations. Similarly, wildfires is another area mm-hmm. where getting real-time information about where wildfire is important both for people as well as for the responders and governments.
But what exactly is AI doing? I mean, putting sensors in the forest area. What is the mechanism? How it works?
So the way in which we're using AI is actually take satellite imagery and then trying to analyze the images and identify, based on image analysis with AI, where the wildfire boundaries are. So the question on many of these technologies is how to do them effectively at scale, and obviously looking into other ways to use other sensory and other technologies to do that. To your earlier point, one thing that we see over the years is indeed intensification in both frequency and severity of these mm-hmm. events. Mm-hmm. So obviously global warming is making floods, wildfires, extreme heat, storms more frequent and more significant than they used to be.